We stayed up all night long, made our drinks too strong, feeling 10 feet tall, rope swinging on the water in the middle of the night like oh, 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 breaking up loose and stomping on the ground we grew up on, yeah we were raised on it, worked hard and played on it, we had it made on it. We're born and raised on it. Hey everyone, Blaze plays guitar lessons. I'm super grateful for this song request and by TJ. And so thanks so much. If you guys have other song requests, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to oblige as best as I can, but I can't always guarantee that I can. But I'm gonna try. So anyway, this is a great song. Okay, this is by Sam Hunt. It's called "Raised on It," obviously. So I'm gonna show you guys how to play the chords for this song. There's only 3 chords in the song, and it's very, very easy. So but real quick, please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit like, so you guys can get notified when I come out with new tutorials and videos. Okay. Also, to everyone who has subscribed and hit like and stuff so far, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it, and thank you all for your comments. If you have other requests or comments or things, please let me know. Okay, so let's get into it. No tuning. Sorry, no capo, standard tuning. All right, as you can see, you're only going to use 3 chords for this, and you're going to use 2 of them almost the whole time. Okay, so you're just going to use E. Okay, you're also going to use A, and then the other one you're going to use is B. Okay, those are the 3 chords you will need for this song. Now, the strumming pattern is pretty fast, but it's pretty fun too. So it's not a hard song at all. Okay, so the beginning of the song is just, you're just going to do this. Most of the song is this. It's like 90% of the song. It's just E, A, and you just repeat that. So it's E, A, E, A, A. Okay, and then at some parts you go B, B, okay, so the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, and then when you on the parts where you do B, you go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you're just doing the same thing on B, but you're just staying on B longer. Okay, so the intro for this song, you're just gonna go So you do that 4 times, the E, A 4 times, and then you're going to go into the intro, okay? For this part, you can either play it like that for the verses, or so you can do it softer. That's probably what's the best. That's what is being done on the album. So it's snapbacks and Levi jeans, PBR, burnt CDs, running for the grass on the hot concrete. Let's see. Running for the grass on the hot concrete, still walking on our summer feet. Okay, so you'll just do, you could do that, or you can palm mute it if you want. Okay, you'll do that with this part. You put it as close as you can right there. Okay, and you're just going to hit the bass notes. So there's only one part in the song where I think it's supposed to be that way, but you can totally do that for the verses. That's one of the nice things about acoustic versions, is you're just kind of playing it how you want a little bit, okay? So the way you're going to do this is you're going to do E is going to be, let's see, snapbacks. So after backs, okay, you're going to do A. Snapbacks and Levi jeans. Okay, so so snapbacks is E, snapbacks and Levi. So and is where you do the A, which is easy to remember, and Levi jeans. PBR, so PBR is E, PBR and burnt CDs. So it's and burnt CDs. And burnt CDs. Okay, running is E, running for the grass on the hot concrete. So running for, after 4, you're going to go to A, for the grass on the hot concrete. Still is E, still walking on her summer feet. Okay, I know that's not the right, like, the key that he's singing in. I'm just trying to show you like where to do the chords. But you're just going to do that, and you're going to do it softer. Okay, just like that. Then when you go to the last part of it, and you do pretty girl and a pickup line, like, then you just do that, all right? Or you could just do that, but I would just do mute. Hey, what's your name? You know smoke follows beauty, baby. Okay, just like that. So you would do that. You go, hey, what's your name? Hey, what's your name? You know, smoke follows beauty, baby. And at that part, he's just kind of talking anyway. And then you're gonna go, we stayed up all. Okay, all is where you start doing E. We stayed up all night long, made our drinks too strong, feeling 10 feet tall, rope swinging on the water in the middle of the night like oh. Okay, so I'll walk you through that. But for the verses, you are only using E, A, E, and A. Okay, you never use the B in the verses. Okay, now you'll. So what you will do though, in the chorus is where you'll use it. So you'll go, we stayed up all is E, all night long, long is A, long. So we stayed up all night long, made our drinks is E, drinks too strong, strong is A, strong. Feeling 10 is E, 10 feet tall, tall. Rope swinging is B, rope swinging on the water in the middle of the night like oh. Okay, this part you're gonna do oh, oh, so it's E, oh, 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 then A, oh, 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 then E, A, oh, breaking our boots in. So breaking our boots in. So boots is E, boots in. At the kind of like halfway through or 3/4 of the way through and in. Then you go stomping on the ground we grew up on. So stomping on the ground is B. Stomping on the ground we grew up on. Yeah, we were raised. So then you go, so you're doing B that whole time. Stomping on the ground we were raised on. Let's see, we grew up on, yeah, we were raised. And in this part you're gonna go softer. So the first part of the chorus you're gonna be loud, okay? Then the last part of the chorus, the rest of it you're gonna go, let's see, yeah, we were, so you're gonna, B is, yeah, we were raised on it. Worked hard and played on it. We had it made on it. Yeah, we were born and raised on it. And then you just go straight into the second verse, okay? I'm gonna walk you through so you can see how to play that one more time. But I'm gonna do it, I'm just gonna sing it for you, kind of like a cover, so you can see, okay? So it's, we stayed up all, okay, on E, all night long, made our drinks too strong, feeling 10 feet tall, rope swinging on the water in the middle of the night like oh, 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 breaking our boots and stomping on the ground we grew up on. So stomping on the ground we grew up on. Yeah, we were raised on it, worked hard and played on it, we had it made on it, we were born and raised on it. Car wash at the custom tent. Car wash at the custom tent. See, so you go straight into the next verse from there, okay? So you see how it's loud at the beginning and then softer and quieter at the end of the chorus, okay? So then you're gonna go into the second verse. You do the same thing on five ones with a 20 on top. So that same thing is just E, A. You're doing the same thing the whole time in that verse. The song is really repetitive. Then you do the chorus again, just like you did it before. And then when you go to the bridge, I actually don't think there's any guitar here in the song, but if you're just playing it by yourself, you obviously want to have guitar. So I would just do the same, it's the same as the verses, just do E, A, E, A. See, Mama's prayer and Daddy's speech, front porch philosophies. Okay, so you're just gonna do the same. But I wouldn't do that. I would just palm mute, okay? And you're just gonna do E, A. Mom's prayer, just like that, okay? And then you'll go, at the end you'll do that E, and then you'll go, we stayed up all night long, just like you did before, okay? That's how you play the whole song, super easy. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything, but yeah, it's been a lot of fun. I really do appreciate the request because I don't always know like how to play. I've never even heard of some of these songs. I've never heard of that one, but now I love it. I love Sam Hunt. So thanks so much, guys. Thanks for watching. Please tune in next time, and I'll see you soon.